Karl Dittman's Alfa Scalper review. What's Alfa Scalper indicator is all about? It is a genuine hybrid that is maintained and kept up to date with the all-new algorithms. You will hear people talking of new smart trading formula to mean that it is the easiest and most convenient because users are provided with a live trading graph that shows how pairs are performing against each other. What are the main features of Alfa Scalper indicator by Karl Dittman? The Alfa Scalper software offers a range of features to enable you identify the correct and accurate signals in the Forex trading world, therefore helping you to conduct profitable trades that will boost your desire to keep staying in the business of Forex trade. For one, we have the trading tools, a feature that gives you access to a number of tools you need to determine profitable trades. You are supplied with different forms of indicator, news and more. Another feature is the Alfa Scalper pattern recognizer, responsible for the recognition of all candle patterns and will send updates to your mobile phone or your email. You could also receive sound alerts through the on-screen to be able to know where the price will go in advance. Divergence pattern recognizer is the fifth feature. It is responsible for supplying you with directions based on the space that should be left out between the red and blue lines, and also it provides custom filter settings. I can say that the divergence pattern recognizer is a very vital feature in this trading system because of the simple reason that it takes note of variances, both deep and hidden variances. The last feature, but certainly not the least, is the optimal exit. This is a new feature that will help you realize maximum profits with high-quality tips. Yes, it will share important and valuable tips that will in turn help you make the maximum profits from all businesses with the Alfa Scalper indicator trading system. It gets even better because it will give real-time updates on trading opportunities as and when they arise. Why is Alfa Scalper indicator by Karl Dittman useful? The chances of losing in the Forex trade business are usually very high, but there is some good news here. Because with this software program has for many times proven to increase your odds of winning and consequently lowering those of losing. How does Alfa Scalper by Karl Dittman work? Alfa Scalper is a unique scalping indicator for EMT4, not AI, robot that works on all pairs and M1, M5 timeframes. Alfa Scalper comes with a step-by-step user guide with screenshots, special tips and trading rules. It will help you get the most out of this new indicator. Every time there is a new trading opportunity, Alfa Scalper will generate a new buy or sell signal. Whenever a new signal is generated, Alfa Scalper will inform you via pop-up sound alert, email alert or a push notification sent to your mobile. Important: signals never repaint. If you get a new signal, it will stay there. The indicator will not change its mind and reposition the signal. The new Smart Exit feature combined with the special unique buy-sell algorithms enable Alfa Scalper to give you reliable and powerful signals that you can use to make easy and profitable trades. No repaint, powerful and reliable buy-sell signals. Special Smart Exit feature. 3 types of signal alert in multiple trading styles will ensure the best results possible. Bottom line: if you need an edge to help you achieve your trading and financial goals, this is one announcement you won't want to miss. I am 100% confident that you will appreciate the brand new Alfa Scalper indicator. To download your own Alfa Scalper indicator copy, check the description below this video.